Hey guys, my name is Combat Skate. Today, I caught flounders, I filleted them. What I put on them is, I'm going to teach you how to cook these. Or I'm going to show you how I cook these. I put oregano, basil, salt, black pepper, both sides. Alright, let's get into cooking this. Alright, what I'm going to do is put some canola spray so the fish won't stick on the pan. The thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take these tongs, I'm going to pick them up like so. I'm going to place them on the... Zoom in on that. Flounder. Next time, I'm gonna record me catching these flounder. Drizzle the lemon on it. Drizzle. It smells pretty good. Alright, I'm gonna try this a different method because, as you can see, this method's not working out very good. I'm gonna wrap the fish I'm gonna season the fish, wrap it in aluminum foil, then put it back on the pan because this did not work at all. Right.
Bro, what happened to my fish?
So if you want to see if the fish is actually cooked, poke your fork through it, and if it goes smoothly through, then it's cooked like that. If it goes smoothly through like that, then it's properly cooked, then you gotta take it out the grill. What I'm gonna do now is, since the other way didn't work out that good for me, I'm gonna put it in aluminum foil like this. And then I'm gonna close the sides. I'm not gonna season this one because I'm a man. And then if you're out in the wild and you catch a flounder, you can't season it because you have nothing to season it with. So, shit, hold up. Fuck. Oops.
Man, you're never recording and you suck.
Hear that sizzle? Sexy. This is a catch and cook. I literally caught these a couple hours prior to making this. I filleted it. Should have made the video of me filleting it, like I said prior to the video. I just finished cooking this, and let me tell you, this looks really appetizing. I cannot wait to eat it. Right now, I'm just gonna take a little bite. It actually tastes like fish.
Because it is fish.
No, but like, no seasoning, no nothing. A little bit salted, but it's probably from the ocean.
Oh, you have to edit that part out, bro.
That's it for this video, guys. Please leave a like, subscribe.